We are shocked and fail to understand the logic of getting a judicial decree from the court in such like project, which could be easily executed without any impediment, and this shows lack of responsibility in the state institution as well as willpower. First up, it is a high time that in grave crisis of the province each institution shall work according to law and rules and according to the approved plan policy, and that is the requirement of the constitution. First up, not because of the request of Khalid Aziz GM SNGPL, but because the petitioner's case is before us, whose rights have been infringed and denied. Therefore, this petition is admitted and allowed, and we direct the SNGPL and all those authorities who are attached to this project to immediately start work on the same and complete it without loss of single hour's time beyond the prescribed period already allowed to them. First up, with the above observation direction, this petition stands disposed of. First up, respondent number 3 has filed his parawise comments to the writ petition, wherein he has admitted that it is now the right of the petitioner to be appointed on any vacant seat allotted reserved for the retired employees' sons. First up, impliedly, it has also been admitted that the petitioner is on the top vis-a-vis seniority is concerned. Thus, in view of such categorical admission made by respondent number 3, keep pending the instant petition anymore would be a futile exercise. First up, accordingly, this petition is admitted and allowed because of the admission made by respondent number 3, and it is directed that whenever a vacancy occurs this time, then the petitioner shall be considered for appointment on the said vacancy on priority basis. First up.